first we are going to chop up some celery. And this is my dad doing it because I don't chop up celery tonight. So we're going to do that first. Yeah. So now we're cutting up the onion because we're going to sweat the onion and also going to sweat the little garlic that we have back there. It went on, and you turn on the gas if you have like a gas hob, because we do, and you turn it on low, and then you want to spread the oil around the bottom of the pan, add your vegetables, and just wait for that to sweat. Now we're going to make the meatballs, and to make the meatballs we will need turkey mince. We got 2% fat because it was the best. The breadcrumbs, so we just took some bread, left it out for a bit, and basically just crumbled it up. An egg. We will need salt and pepper, and optional chili flakes. I'm not having chili flakes on mine. Thumbs up from Dad. So that's one total. There we go. No, that was like 3 little times. Come on. This time. An egg. Now we're just cutting some tomatoes in half. I don't really have anything else to say. Yeah, we're just cutting tomatoes in half now for the sauce. We were saying about this is nice now, and it should be. We're going to now add the tomatoes to this, and I'll just stir it for a bit because I can. Right, now we're going to start chopping basil or basil, I don't care, but we're just going to chop that up and we're going to add that to our ingredients thing for our sauce. So we are now flipping over the meatballs and we're having a bit of a struggle. Please don't burn yourself when doing this at home, not advised. So yeah, we're going to do these meatballs, cook them up, hopefully we'll be able to put them in the oven, or we'll just cook them on here. Is that okay? Or if I take you over here, if I take you over here, we have the little parts all mixed up. So we have our celery and our carrot, garlic, onion and the little passata things, all nice and mixed up. We'll see you in a sec. So we've just shaken up our passata. I can't really say it, I don't really know what it is either. So we're just going to cut the top off so we can add this to our sauce. Mix that up. It's going to make a beautiful sauce. And now we're going to add some tomato puree, a tablespoon or teaspoon of it. So you just want to add that up and just mix it. Mix everything up. And that should be alright. Now we're putting them in the oven for about 10 minutes. So that's going in for 10 minutes. And we'll wait and catch it. So that's now going to fry some smoked pancetta in a pan to get some of the nice fats out of it. Now our meatballs are done. Oh, it's doing it the wrong way. That's all right. Okay. The water is boiled and I'm going to add the pasta in and I'm going to get something like that. And I'm going to use a spoon so it doesn't splash everywhere. And we're going to just drop it in. The other one. Boil up and then mix it. Getting soft as it's touching now. But we'll just be back in a few seconds. So now we're going to take out the meatballs, and because the pan handle is metal, it's going to be very hot, so we're using towel, just a little tea towel to grab onto the handle with. Ooh, we need to check if one is okay, and if one is okay, then the rest will be okay. And there it is. Number one. If number one is pink, then others are going to be pink. That looks good. He's okay. So number one looks good. Very good. Put the meatballs in the sauce now. Oh, this is gonna be nice. We tried one turkey meatball and it is the best thing ever. Especially with the crispy outside because of the breadcrumbs. It's nice. We've got our water boiling for the spinach and linguine. 3 portions here, so basically 2 of these for Dad and 1 for me. So now we have cooked the pasta, we've got this all done, and we need to strain the water out of the pasta. So we are just going to use this little pasta strainer and tip that in there. It's okay. It's hot and steamy. At the moment, this is really good. Like, we had a taste of it. It's delicious. And yeah, we will plate up now.